In Rajasthan's Churu district, rescue operations are underway to save a 2-year-old boy who fell into an open borewell. The army has been called in by the civil administration to carry out rescue operations. An army doctor is also part of the rescue team that's using earth-moving machinery to dig at the site and rescue the child at the Rohia village in Churu district. The army took over operations at midnight. Before that, the district administration was trying to carry out the rescue operations. Oxygen has been released into the borewell, though no movement is being seen inside. Let me go across to Harsha Kumari, who is at the Churu district near the relief of where the rescue operations are taking place, to get a sense of what the progress really is. Harsha, any progress that seems to have been made in terms of the rescue operations?
Well, the army, once they did take over the rescue operations, they managed to reach at 40 feet in the borewell. It's a 360 feet borewell, but they managed to reach at 40 feet, where they did get that sack out which had covered the borewell and through which the child had fallen through. But they're not being able to find the body of the child or even locate where the body of the child is inside that borewell. So what the army is suggesting to the civil administration is that they get cameras which can go into the water, because they've even reached, they managed to lower something into the water. A sort of a rudimentary kind of a cage that they've made with angles on it. So they were hoping that it might get somewhere, sort of attach itself to the child and be able to pull him out. But even it seems that hasn't worked. So now they are looking at getting cameras in which will be able to go into the water. But that's as far as they've gone. A day of unsuccessful operations. And now, as it's getting darker, they are going to take a call in a while now whether they should stop and then resume again tomorrow.
All right, Harsha, we'll keep coming back to you for more and more updates on that story.